Borax powder, also known as sodium borate, is a naturally occurring mineral that has been used for decades in a variety of ways around the home. It's celebrated for its cleaning, deodorizing, and pest control properties. In this video, we will show you 10 practical uses of borax powder around the home that highlight its versatility and effectiveness. 1. Laundry booster. Borax can enhance the cleaning power of your laundry detergent. By adding a half cup of borax to your laundry, you can boost the detergent's effectiveness. It helps to remove tough stains and odors, soften hard water, and leave clothes feeling fresh and clean. 2. Pest control. Borax is an effective way to deal with ants, cockroaches, and other unwanted pests. By mixing equal parts of borax and sugar, you create a bait that attracts pests but is toxic to them when ingested. Sprinkle the mixture in areas where pests are a problem, but keep it away from pets and children. 3. Mold and mildew remover. For areas prone to mold and mildew, borax can be a lifesaver. Mix a cup of borax with a gallon of water and apply the solution to the affected area. The borax inhibits the growth of mold and mildew without the need for harsh chemicals. 4. Carpet cleaner. Borax can help clean and deodorize your carpets. Sprinkle borax on your carpet. Let it sit for several hours or overnight. Then vacuum it up. This can help remove stains and odors, leaving your carpet smelling fresh. 5. All-purpose cleaner. Create a versatile all-purpose cleaner by dissolving a half cup of borax in 12 cups of hot water. This solution can be used to clean sinks, counters, floors, and more, leaving surfaces clean without the use of harsh chemicals. Enjoying the video? Leave a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. 6. Weed killer. Borax can be used as a natural weed killer. Mix 10 ounces of borax with 2.5 gallons of water and apply it to the weeds you wish to kill. Be careful to only apply it to the weeds, as it can harm your other plants. 7. Insecticide for the garden. Similar to its use for indoor pest control, borax can help control garden pests. Mix borax with water and spray it on garden plants to keep insects at bay. However, use this sparingly and carefully, as it can be harmful to plants in high concentrations. 8. Toilet bowl cleaner. For a sparkling clean toilet, sprinkle borax in the bowl and let it sit overnight. In the morning, scrub the bowl with a toilet brush to remove stains and flush away the residue. 9. Freshen up your fridge. To deodorize your refrigerator, dissolve a half cup of borax in a quart of warm water. Use the solution to wipe down the inside of your fridge. This will help eliminate odors and clean spills without leaving a chemical residue. 10. Unclog drains. Borax can help unclog your drains. Pour 1/2 cup of borax, followed by 2 cups of boiling water down the drain. Let it sit for 15 minutes, then flush with hot water. This can help break down clogs and keep your drains flowing smoothly. Borax powder is a versatile, eco-friendly, and affordable solution for many household problems. However, it's important to use borax with care, keeping it out of reach of children and pets, and using it as directed to avoid any potential harm. With these tips in mind, borax can be a valuable addition to your home cleaning and maintenance routine.